There is no any time internet was blocked.
I mean, who should people believe? Well-known, well-respected human rights groups?
Yeah, we need to do further investigation. But
I think you do.
I mean, first of all, the internet,
the
internet in the country is very, the service is very low. The coverage is very low. And, but I have not come across any incident where internet
You haven't come
blocked.
across detained protesters, you haven't come across detained journalists, you haven't come across internet blackouts?
No.
That's very convenient, given it's well documented by human rights observers.
I have not. I'm a human rights advocate. I have not.
Okay.
I have not seen any.
በምዕራብ ወለጋ 3-4 ወር ስንዋጋ ከነሱ ጋር በነበረው ውጊያ ስልክ አልነበረም። በጣም የሚያሳዝነው ነገር ግን በወለጋ 3-4 ወር ስልክ መጥፋቱን አንድም የውጭ ሰው ኮምፕሌን አድርጎ ያውቃል። ለካ ትግራይ ብቻ ነው ሲጠፋ ችግር የሚፈጠረው። የወለጋው ችግር የለውም፣ ቢሞት ችግር የለውም፣ ስልክ ቢጠፋ ችግር የለውም።